Alright people, welcome on my channel. My channel I just want to do alright. Today I will describe about now I want of a fair like the artifact from Prophet Baginda Rasulullah is from and then Sahaba, their neighbor and then their relative there. Now can you imagine that? Can you see that this in the mirror is like the glass, this is like the keys of Kaaba. Rasulullah. Can you imagine that? I couldn't imagine that because this case from Baginda Rasulullah, the first time at a time in year in 1511, and it can replace Turkish money like the kingdom at the time, and then in 1847 this case returned back for in 1937 by the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. After that, after the after war at the time, like how to keep about the grave Baginda Rasulullah, this key held by the descendants Sayyidina Ali until now. This key, like this brothers has formed with Ali by the Baginda. Can you imagine that? This very famous nowadays. It's totally very original. You couldn't find any country like this because this bringing 5 countries in, or 5 countries like Turkey, Jordan, Iraq, Morocco at a time. You know what? If you want to see this, you could come to Aceh next year, inshallah, or next month, because as people say, or people say, maybe next month the people gonna be hot in Banda Aceh. 24 maybe the travel.